Hey, juniors at Jeff West. It is Mrs. Fleming coming at you live. Well, not live, but coming at you from Topeka, Kansas. Um, Social distancing, crazy, crazy times. But I have the windows open. The birds are singing. Um, there's a lot of things to still be wonderfully thankful for and positive for. So I just wanted to steal a couple minutes of your time to just check in. Um, Things are going to be a little bit different. And even though we are no longer in... Hold on. Get in here. Even though we are no longer in school, face to face, that doesn't mean that we are not having school. It's just that school for us is going to look a lot different than it normally has. So I just wanted to touch base and let you know that I'm thinking about you. I miss your awesome faces. I miss your ridiculous jokes. I miss the fact that you guys do your absolute best to get me off track. I miss you guys a ton. You know how much I care about you and love you so much, and you're all such a huge highlight of my day. Just know that I'm missing you. I'm praying for you. I'm wishing that we could all be together, but this is how we're going to get to be together now. So, and that's okay. We are still going to continue on with class. It's just not going to be as usual. So these are the first couple of things that I want you to do, if you would, for me. The first one is I need you to download the app Zoom. And I was giving a little tutorial to the freshmen when I recorded their little check-in as well. And I wanted to show you what it looks like when you download it on your phone. Okay. There it is. Zoom. It is a conferencing app, and you can have up to like 40 people or something like that on it at a time, even more than that, I think. So there are going to be times that we're going to meet together as a class. And so that I can see your beautiful faces and we can just talk about the things that we are doing in class. I can answer any kind of questions that you have, that kind of thing. So we are going to be doing that. So don't think that we aren't. Okay, so I need you to download the app Zoom. You can do it on your phone. If you have any kind of technology at home, you can download it there as well. What I will do is I'll send out a link to the actual meeting, and you'll just click on it, and it should get you in there with very little trouble. Okay, so download that. I also need for you, if you would, to download Google Classroom onto your phones and then go into your settings and set notifications. Because that way you know when I have posted something. And this is also something that we're going to do, and I didn't tell the freshmen this, but I am going to forego all of the individual Google Classrooms that we had. Like there was one for third period, there was one for sixth period, there was one for seventh period, and I'm going to get rid of those. Well, I'm going to leave them up there, but I'm going to archive them. And I'm going to create one Google Classroom for the juniors, because we are all in this together now. We are not separate classes. We are just junior English. So there's no reason for us to have 3 different classes. I do realize that there are some of you that might not have technology. We are meeting as a staff today via Zoom to talk about that, to talk about the things that we are going to do for those students that don't have technology, that don't have internet access. We're going to be working with you. Please don't think that we're leaving you out to dry, because we are not doing that. But I will be giving you that information as I get it. Please, please, please. I know I've told you before, but check your emails. please check your email. Because Mrs. Frakes is sending you all stuff. Mrs. Frakes and Mr. Happer are sending your parents things and your guardians things. Your individual teachers are going to be sending you stuff. So please make sure that you do that. You guys are going to have to really be advocates for yourself and be accountable for yourselves now. You know, I always said that I wasn't going to spoon feed you guys stuff, but now I really can't spoon feed you guys stuff. So I am going to just trust that you all are amazing, responsible, young, super people, and that you're going to be advocating for your education and you're going to be being responsible. Our class, of course, is going to look different now until May. I'm really cutting down on the things that we are doing. Your teachers are really getting together via Zoom or text messaging. I've got a huge text message chain that a bunch of us are texting to try and maybe combine some lessons. And the delivery method's going to be completely different. I'm forgoing the things that I don't think you absolutely need. We're really going to hone in on soft skills, like that stuff that your employers are going to be wanting from you. Different interview skills, how to read directions properly, critical thinking skills. While I love Shakespeare, while I love William Faulkner and all of that stuff, we're going to forego some of that. And just concentrate on what you guys really, really need to be fantastic members of society. So things are going to look different. I'm not going to push worksheets at you. I think that's ridiculous. We're going to find new and inventive ways to learn, things that you can do around your house. I'm going to be asking y'all to record things for me. So yeah, I'm going to try and make it as fun of a learning environment as I can. And please, cut me some slack because this is all new for me as well as it is for you, and we're going to get through it. So just know that I miss you. Please keep checking back because after today I'll really have some information to share with you. I love you guys. I love being your teacher. I miss seeing you in the hallways. I miss your hugs. I miss your jokes. Please be safe. Please don't make stupid decisions, guys. Practice social distancing. This is not a joke. It's nothing to be made light of. I mean, don't panic, you know, and don't get your anxiety all in an uproar. It's going to be fine, but we need to be responsible citizens. We really, really do. So stay healthy, eat right, get plenty of sleep, wash your hands. Wash your hands, okay? And stop sticking them in your nose and your mouth and your eyes and your ears, and wash them many times a day, especially after you go to the bathroom. All right. I love you guys. Hey, if you have any questions at all, email me. I'm checking that often. The other thing is, when you watch this, would you guys make a comment that you've seen it so I can kind of get a read on who has seen it and who hasn't? And then the other thing that I was going to tell you, if you need me, here's my cell phone number. I'm really going to have to get used to this. Okay, there's my cell phone number for you. You guys can use that if you need to. Just make sure you tell me who you are. And don't order food and have it delivered to my house, or don't use it for stupid reasons, okay? I know you guys. All right, I love you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm thinking about you. I miss you. And until we meet again via video, I'll see you later. Be safe.